Sanibonani guys. I hope niyaphila. Namuhla ngifuna ukukhuluma nabantu baseMiddelburg or maybe around. Guys, we almost got scammed with my husband by abantu abadala, guys, by abantu abadala. Into ebuhlungu is because of abantu abadala. Nanoma ukhuluma nabo efonini uyabezwa ukuthi abantu abadala. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi abantu abadala mabaqala lokhu lomshikashika lokhu abantu abancane bona boyoba njani. I now understand ukuthi abanye abantu beyigebengu or baphila lempilo bayiphila yebugebengu because of ama parents wabo. So guys, this is what happened. There was a Kali by advertiser a Facebook a Ford. I think it's Ford Fiesta, yeah. Leya moto leya bebathi it's 45,000. Firstly, leya picture leya moto leya. It was too good to be true. Beyi sharp, beyi clean, but 45,000. So, mina nomuntu wamsayibona, and there was a lady lo bekathi ufuna imoto ye less price. Uyabo, ngoba umuntu wami unoku-advertise imoto ezinjalo vele unoku-advertise umngane wakhe imoto ezima second hand, bese lo sisilo yena bekafuna imoto emali yangaphansi. So sabona leya post lapha, and leya post yathi ila eMiddelburg le moto leyo. So vele mina I was supposed to go to say a doctor, and then ubaba wakami wathi uzongiphekezela ngiyobona udokotela because of ufuna ukubona nale moto le. Yes, abantu guys, they have a strategy sokuscam umuntu and izinto zibonakala ngathi it's legit. Zibonakala ngathi it's legit. Wazi wathi sizohlangana epolice station ukuthi ina kungabi nama scammers aba ayenzakalayo in or maybe to be on a safe side. Uyabo? Umuntu wamamthemba because of umuntu makathi asihlangane epolice station vele nawe uzomthemba. So what happened is that umuntu wami wangithatha wangisa kudokotela. Yena wafonela nalo baba lo wamthola because of bebafake nama number. Makafonela lo baba athi hey mina angikho ngisemeregweni in. Meanwhile akasitshelanga before uthe yena sizohlangana naye. Uyabo? So okay, umyeni wami wabuza ukuthi sizoyenza kanjani. Wathi imoto inomntwana. Uyabo? Akamnikezi lo mntwana lo ama number vele. Ngathi umnikezile ngisakhumbula. Yeah, ngathi umnikezile lo guy lo beka contactana nomuntu wami. Uyabo? So wathi ina imoto ngizoyinikeza umntwana nguyezoletha imoto lapho. Mina ngisemeregweni. Okay, ubaba wami wasithemba istory, wahamba wathi use police station wathi niyohlangana khona lapha police station. Wena linda khona lapha police station ngoba umyeni wami amtshela ukuthi ngila eduzana. Ngizojama la police station ngikulinde khona ngizokhona ukuviwa yini imoto. Yabo? Okay. Wahamba umyeni wami wahlala lapha police station, wafona abantu abaveli. Jikiti lo baba wafona wathi umama wakami uthi ufuna ukukhuluma nawe. Umuntu osifazane guys, umuntu omdala weza ukuthi lo umuntu omdala. Yabo? Bese wathi okay, ubaba wakami wavuma ke. And then no mama wafona wathi hey bhuti unjani, ngazo bathi ngufuna ukuthenga imoto. Lo mama wathi le mali kumele ifakwe ku-account yakhe. Yabo? So bathi ninganikeza umntwana imali if ever nifuna ukuyithenga leyo moto leyo nizoyifaka ku-account yami. And then ubaba kami wathi okay, it's fine, I don't have a problem with that, but qala ngifuna ukuview imoto ngibone ukuthi injani right na. Sebele lo baba wabuza ukuthi wena uze ngani. Yabo? Bese ubaba kami uyachaza ukuthi nami ngize ngemoto. Wathi le moto enye izodrive ubani. Yabo? Bese ubaba wakami wathi hawa sizoshiya le yakami la epolice station masiyenza i-driving, senze i-test drive. Yabo? Bese ubaba wathi okay, ubaba kami wahlala ngaphuma mina kudokotela ngathi hawa baby nami ngiyeza lapha ngizokhona ukuyibona le moto kahle kahle siyibone kahle because of i-Ford Fiesta yaka 45,000 ayingifuni ukuyibona kahle ukuthi kahle kahle le moto le injani. So ngahamba mina ngayohlala naye lapha soloko bayafona at the end baconvince ubaba kami ukuthi akafaki imali because of lo muntu odriver leyo moto lo umntwana and umntwana warif bayithathe best ubaba kami wathathela umntwana imoto wathi hawu angisho nina ngithe sihlangane police station na ngizoyithatha kanjani la police station kubhizi and vele i-police station se Middelburg town le ihlangahlangene man kuhlezi kuhlangahlangene lapha and amaveni ahlezi angaphandle and amaphoyisa ahlezi vele kunesibhedlela ngapha uvalekile vele so yabo so wathi kanjani ngeke phela mina ngibhadele imali kuyimoto ongakayiboni first ngakayi test drive ngicheck or beside we test drive ngifaka kanjani imali ngakaboni imoto na lo mama wathi hawa mina bakaze bangitshontshela imoto so wena ukuthi ukhone ukuthi ubone le moto leyo you have to send cash sizokhona ukukuthemba umfana akakafiki kuqala nemoto umama manje sochicha istory sokuthi kumele kufakwe imali and baya insist ukuthi kufakwe imali yabo athi hawa mina ngeke ngifake mina imali ningakafiki la ngizobona imoto yabo bese lo mama wachange istory wathi hawa imoto ngeke isakhona ukufika lapho nizoyibona uma ubaba kami akhona guysini abantu abadala uyamuza ukuthi lo mama umdala lo baba umdala kunomntwana naphakathi and then ubaba kami wathi okay it's fine if ever kunjalo ngeke mina nginforce but mina bengeke ngintshontshe imoto okay why ningafoni maybe sifone nge-video call or ukucheck ukuthi umuntu lo ukhuluma naye umuntu onjani guys they were insisting ukuthi kufakwe imali sho ukuthi if ever maybe besingamadomo sichazwe ngaleyo Ford Fiesta ka 45,000 bese besikemiwe guys bese besikemiwe imali ngabantu abadala abogogo abokhehla niziboneni guys niziboneni abantu baseMiddelburg be aware ungafaki imali izinto ongakaziboni umuntu akutshela ukuthi uthengisa imoto 45,000 for Fiesta fresh it was too good to be true so niziboneleni guys niziboneni kubi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangisesokucoca story sokuthi bacishe ubasikenywa kanjani yena nendoda yakhe kesana ngemva kokuthi bazame ukuthenga iFord Fiesta ya 45k labayithole lapha ku Facebook market guys. Facebook market igcwele ngedikema letiningi inqwabi ingcubumbi. I remember this other day I think ngabona ipolo ya 15k and I was like hey ayibo scammers are working overtime kesana. And the reason why abantu bagcine basikenywa it's because bafuna indolo eshibhile nendolo eshibhile ayikho nje indolo eshibhile if ufuna indolo eshibhile wona ubona efridge iya yokuvula ngala nangala uyibona efridge ethi 1.5 like really uyayifuna wona ufuna uyithenga because uthi eshibhile it's a scam or ngikubantu bagcine basikenywa because bantu bakubuta ukuthi awukwati naye esitolo wena ukuthi simo sirafu vele but like don't fall for the game because uyibona into eshibhile if into eshibhile vele uyabona na ukuthi there is no way baleka imagine uma ngabe bayifakile le mali lo bot nalo sisi ukuthi nyalo ngabe bayakhala ukuthi 45,000 go imoto dololo like ukuthi maskema zabe ekho right mentally uyifaka kanjani imali imoto ungakayiboni. Does that make sense uthi wena umuntu akafaka imali faka 45,000 because imoto ichamuka nemntwana angayibona imoto ukuthi njani angayidrive kufaka nje isithombe ngifake 45,000 isithombe ngisibone ku Facebook. Hi bandla, do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'm signing out, so goodbye.